have got a list of confirmed cases by country, by date. So seems reasonable to, well, let's have a look at our number of cases by date. So we're going to click on our cases. There's our value of cases. And we'll look at them by date. And typically, when we're looking at things as dates, we'll look at line charts. So for now, we'll do that. We may want to change our minds in a bit, but for now, we'll look at dates. And quite quickly, starting with our raw numbers, we're starting to get some useful information. Okay, so I can see my trend, starting point. What else would you look at? Well, by country seems a reasonable option. We've got our trend, we've got our countries. We can click on our countries and we can start seeing how their individual trends worked. And we can see some have had a steeper curve, some are more leveling off. The last thing we'll have a look at is a running total. Yeah, it'd be nice to see, it's an easy figure. Well, where have we got to? Take our number of cases and we'll make that. And we're going to make it show the whole number. So don't try and be clever shortening things down. Okay. If I click on US, that's correct. India, correct. Both of them. Excellent. Or totals. Okay. Pretty cool stuff. So we started playing with some things to get some value out. Where do we go from here? I'd like to know if there's any anomalies on our trend. And I'm going to change it back to a bar chart because a bar chart lets me set up some fun things with colors. But straight away, I can now see that there are lots of periods of time where we've actually had something that's gone negative. I wonder what. Okay. And so I can now see on any particular day which ones had a negative value. So there's probably some more things we can do. But before we move on to that, let's make sure we can share this with our colleagues. We can do this thing called a create app. And because it's so quick, we'll do one now. I had some choices before about colors and things like that, but you can see the navigation's a bit simpler. So that's kind of a whistle-stop tour of creating some reports and visuals and pushing it through.